How to add notes on Uber Eats. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add notes on Uber Eats. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Uber Eats app. After you open it up, you can start, creating an order. So let's say I'm gonna order pizza from Domino's here. I'll just choose this, add it to my basket. And after I add it to my basket, I can head over to view the basket. Tap on view basket. Whenever you view your basket, you will see an option right before checkout that says add a note right above the go to checkout button. So for some reason, maybe due to the new update or because I didn't update to the latest version, there is no such option. So right here above the go to checkout option, you'll find add note option where you can add note to anything that such as you can leave it to the doorstep or something like that or for the order. And yeah, that's basically how you can add notes on Uber Eats. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.